Hello, this is Alex Kazmark for the FXEdge.com, and this is your free daily Forex video for August 17th, 2009. One reminder before I begin, the purpose of this free daily video is education and not an alert service. I'm not going to make any trade recommendations, but what I am going to do is point out levels of support and resistance for the next 12 to 24 hours. Please keep in mind that trading with leverage is very risky business, so please don't trade any real money until you have established a proven track record on a demo account. Trading conditions are always changing, so make sure to tune into tomorrow's video to stay updated. Well, first of all, happy Monday, everybody. We have a lot of important economic data out this week, so I think traders will be focused on fundamental changes within the markets. Most importantly, we're going to be looking for opportunities to break out of our recent ranges. We've had quite a bit of volatility, but we've been able to maintain the last week's ranges pretty consistently. So please do check the calendar of events in the Trader Tools section of the website to follow along with this week's videos, as we're going to be following the economic data released in order to keep an eye on any new support and resistance areas. If you'd like a more detailed analysis with potential trade opportunities, do join us in the members section, and we do cover our two trading strategies along with our current trades. Okay, well, we are looking at the euro dollar on a daily time chart. Currently trading at 141.88. We were able to close stronger versus the euro on Friday. Our first level of resistance for the euro is going to be found at 142.30, followed by 143.01 and 143.25. Above 143.25, we're going to be targeting early August highs at 144.50. I also drew this trend line. If I zoom out, we have an uptrend that we've been following, and I personally think that there may be some dollar strength over here over the next few days. However, we have to keep an eye on the economic data, but if the dollar continues to gain stronger, we may see it follow this trend line coming down. So our first level of support below 141.88 is going to be Friday's low of 141.60. Below 141.60, we're going to be targeting 141, 140.60, and 140 even. Below 140 is going to be targeting 138.83. Let's take a look at the pound dollar. Currently trading at 165.28. Quite a bit of data out for the pound overnight. On Tuesday, we're going to be seeing consumer price inflation data, along with producer price inflation levels out of the U.S. and building permits out of the U.S. So we could see quite a bit of volatility Tuesday morning through Tuesday night. Our first level of support for the pound is going to be found at 164.25, resembling last week's lows, followed by 163.50 and 162.11. Below 162.11, we're going to be targeting 160.33. First level of resistance is going to be found at 165.80, followed by 166.66. Break above 166.66 is going to lead us to 167.20, and above that we're going to be targeting 170, which resemble early August highs. Let's take a look at the dollar yen. Dollar lost quite a bit of ground over the last week. Equities continue to consolidate around the 9,300, 9,200 level, closing lower on Friday, putting pressure on the dollar, currently trading at 94.80. Our first level of resistance is going to be found at 95, followed by 95.20, 95.80, 96.50, and above that 97 even. First level of support for the dollar is going to be found at 94.50, followed by 94 and 93.29. Below 93.29, we're going to find support at 92.40. I've zoomed out here to show you that we've been able to form a higher pivot high, which is usually positive, specifically here for the dollar, to go higher, but because of this retracement all the way down, and we've also broken the trend line from the lower 90s to the run higher to the mid 90s, broken below that trend line. This is bearish, so we have a lot of conflicting information. A higher pivot high. However, this retracement does not look good for the dollar. Let's go ahead and take a look at the dollar Swissy as our last pair. Currently trading at 107.29. Dollar remains bid versus the Swissy, able to close higher on Friday. First level of resistance for the dollar is going to be found at 107.50, followed by 108. Above 108, we're going to see 108.80 and 109.33. First level of support is going to be found at 106.70, followed by 106.50 and 105.75. Well, that is it for today's video. Quite short. We're going to see how the week starts off, and we're going to follow the economic data that I strongly urge you to check out, because this is where fundamentals change and new trends are set, and support and resistance lines are also going to be changing here over the next few days. So stay updated by watching the videos. This has been Alex Kaczmarek for the FXEdge.com free daily Forex video for August 17th, 2009. Until tomorrow, good luck trading.